Sometimes people feel, I don't know how to cook. Dinner time doesn't have to be complex to be delicious and memorable.
Linda Lederman. Linda is a kitchen confidence and cooking coach for busy families. With her dinner done and delicious approach, Linda offers co-cooking classes and personalized coaching programs. So come to the table, because today you'll learn dinner time sanity saving secrets.
Right out of the gate, Linda, what is it that our audience will come away with after our discussion today?
They'll learn that it's really, really important for them to communicate with their family. And one of the ways you can do that with food. And it doesn't have to be complex to be delicious, memorable, and meaningful. Don't be intimidated by dinner time. If you need help doing that, I'm the person that can help you to make your meals delicious and wonderful. So the audience can find me at balaboostasecret.com.